All right, let's just jump right into this. If you're an NGO leader, a youth worker, or honestly just anyone out there trying to make a real positive impact, you already know how absolutely crucial it is to get your message in front of the right people. But let's be real for a second. Opening Meta Ads Manager for the very first time, it's incredibly intimidating. I mean, it literally looks like this complex dashboard built for Wall Street day traders, right? Well, take a deep breath, because today we're going to completely demystify the whole thing. Setting up your very first meta ad is 100% achievable, even if you have absolutely zero technical background. We're going to walk through this entire explainer step by step, focusing on exactly what you need to know and nothing you don't.
So here's our roadmap for this explainer. It's just a simple 4-step process. 1. Campaign creation. 2. Budget and audience. 3. Ad creation. And 4. Preview and launch. Easy, right? Let's get to it.
Okay, starting right at the top with Stage 1 campaign creation. This is simply where we set our primary goal.
So once you're looking at that main dashboard, I want you to draw your eyes straight over to the top left corner. See it? You're going to click that bright green plus create button. Now immediately, Meta is going to ask you what your objective is. Basically, what do you want to achieve? Now, as a beginner who's trying to get folks to, say, read an impact report or sign up to volunteer, choosing traffic is for sure your best bet. It's the absolute best way to get people to click off of Facebook or Instagram and land directly on your NGO's website. So you'll select traffic and just hit that blue continue button.
Now, a quick heads up here. Sometimes Meta tries to be, well, a little too helpful, and it'll pop up offering you this automated setup. Ignore that for now. You want to make sure you select manual traffic campaign. Choosing the manual route is super important because it makes sure we keep total control over the setup. We don't really want to let an algorithm make the big decisions for us just yet, We want to keep our hands right on the steering wheel so we know exactly how our ad is working behind the scenes.
All right, moving right along to Stage 2, budget and audience. This is the part where we figure out exactly who is going to see this thing and how much it's going to cost us.
And right off the bat, let's completely crush a huge myth right here. So many NGO leaders think you need like thousands of dollars to run a successful digital campaign. You absolutely do not, period. When you scroll down to the budget and schedule section, you're going to see a field for your daily budget. You can literally just backspace whatever default number they put in there and manually type in a safe, completely comfortable $5. By setting this firm $5 limit, Meta will absolutely never spend more than that amount in a single day. It's really the perfect low-risk way to just test the waters and see what kind of message actually resonates with your community.
Okay, so once your budget is locked in, just scroll down a tiny bit more to the audience section. Now this is really where the magic happens. We're going to use something called detailed targeting, which honestly sounds fancy, but it's just the process of matching your ads to people based on what they already care about. Totally jargon-free. You just click into the search bar and type in plain, everyday English keywords related to your cause. So if you're an environmental group, just type in climate change. If you need boots on the ground, type in volunteering. Meta will instantly show you a drop-down list of matching interests. Just click them to add them right into your audience pool. You're literally just connecting the dots between your organization's mission and the real people out there who already share that exact same passion.
Okay, let's push forward to Stage 3, ad creation. This is the fun part. This is where we actually get to build the visual ad that the public is going to see and interact with. So under the Ad Creative section, you're going to click Add Media, and then just select Add Image. A little window will pop up showing your media library, and this is where you pick a compelling, pre-prepared photo. And listen, for an NGO, authenticity is literally everything. A real, actual photo of your volunteers hard at work, or maybe a really clear, simple graphic that explains your direct impact, that works perfectly. Just select it, click Next, and then hit Done. Boom. Just like that, the entire visual anchor of your ad is locked in.
Now, right below your image, you're going to notice a series of blank text fields. Please don't let these overwhelm you. There are really just essential pieces of information we need to plug in here to finish up this ad structure. We need your primary text, a really catchy headline, and a call to action.
Let's break those down. Your primary text is simply the main paragraph that sits right above your image. Ideally, you just want to paste in a pre-written message there that grabs attention and really sparks some interest.
And just like that, we are almost at the finish line. Stage 4 is the preview and launch. This is all about double-checking your work before actually going live.
You know, the truly great thing about this platform is that you can safely review absolutely everything before you spend a single penny. Over on the right side of your screen, you're going to notice this Ad Preview pane. Here, you can just use these little preview arrows to click through and verify exactly how your ad is going to look across all the different placements. So you can check how it looks in the traditional Facebook feed and then click over to see how it automatically adapts itself to look awesome on Instagram stories. It just gives you total peace of mind that your formatting is spot on.
All right, once you're completely happy with how everything looks, it is time for the big moment. You'll move your cursor down to the bottom right corner of the screen and make that final, incredibly satisfying click on the bright green Publish button. And when you do, you're going to see a little loading bar pop up that says Publishing 3 of 3 items. Now don't let that confuse you. It simply means the platform is just saving those 3 tiers we just built together: your campaign goal, your ad set budget, and your visual ad. All 3 are saving successfully to go live.
And there you have it. Look at what you just did. You navigated that complex interface, you set a totally safe budget, you specifically targeted people who genuinely care about your cause, and you built a beautiful, compelling ad from scratch. It really is that accessible once you just break it down step by step. So, I have to ask you, are you ready to push past that intimidation and launch your very own targeted traffic campaign today? The tools are literally right there waiting for you. And your future supporters? They are ready and waiting to hear your message. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I honestly cannot wait to see the incredible impact you're going to create.